Hey there guys, Chet here. When you dive into the world of powerful open source automation, you will find a few tools that are built for serious scalable work. Two of the most impressive platforms in this space are called n8n and a tool called Windmill. Both of these tools are open source, both can be self-hosted, and both are loved by technical users for their power. But they have a fundamentally different idea about how you should build your automations. This can make it confusing to know which one is the right choice for your business or your projects. In this video, we're going to do a direct comparison of n8n and Windmill. We will look at their core building experience, their strengths, and I will show you why I believe n8n's approach is the more efficient and valuable choice for building end-to-end business automations. And if you decide to try n8n after watching this, I'll leave the official link below so that you can check it out for yourself. And if you want to host n8n on your own server, I've made a completely separate video showing how to do that with Hostinger, step by step. I've put both links down below. Now let's start with the core philosophy of each tool. Windmill is a script-centric platform. This means that the main building blocks for your automations are scripts, which are pieces of code, usually written in languages like Python or TypeScript. You write a script to perform a specific action, and then Windmill helps you turn that script into a reusable block that you can run or add to a larger workflow. It is a platform designed by developers for developers who are used to thinking in terms of scripts. n8n's philosophy is different. It is a node-centric platform. Now, the main building blocks are not scripts that you have to write yourself. Instead, the building blocks are pre-built connectors to hundreds of different business applications. You don't have to write a script to send a Slack message or update a Google Sheet. You just use the pre-built Slack node or the Google Sheets node. This makes building common business workflows dramatically faster and easier. You're working with ready-made blocks for your favorite apps, not writing code for every single action. This leads us to the next important difference, which is speed and accessibility. In Windmill, if you want to connect to a new online service that does not have a pre-existing script, you have to write the code to handle that connection yourself. You need to know how to work with that app's API, how to handle its security credentials, and how to process the data that it sends back. This all requires real development skill, and it takes time. This is where n8n has a huge advantage for most business users. With n8n's massive library of pre-built nodes, connecting to a new app is usually as simple as selecting it from a list and filling out a form with your information. That's it. All of the difficult code is already written, tested, and maintained for you by the n8n team. This means a non-developer on your team can easily and safely connect to the company's sales software, for example, without needing to understand how its API works. This accessibility empowers more people on your team to build the automations they need. Now, one of Windmill's most interesting features is its ability to automatically generate a simple user interface, or UI, on top of your scripts. This allows other people on your team to run a script that you wrote by just filling out a simple form, without ever having to see or touch the code. This is a very powerful feature for turning a developer's script into a simple internal tool. While that is a great feature, n8n's entire platform is already a user interface for automation. The workflow itself is the visual representation of the process. Anyone can open an n8n workflow, see the business logic laid out clearly, change a setting in a node, and run it. Boom. You don't need to generate a separate UI because the workflow is the UI for the process. This approach feels more integrated for managing end-to-end business systems. Learning how to build these full end-to-end business systems that are easy for your whole team to use and understand is a very valuable skill. It is about more than just writing one script. It's about designing a whole process. That is exactly what we focus on in my school community. I teach you how to build those professional systems using n8n's visual interface. We have courses, templates for common business challenges, and live calls to help you design and build your own automated workflows. If you want to learn how to build like a pro, the link to the community is in the description. So what is my final verdict? Windmill is an excellent and very powerful platform for developers who want to run their existing code scripts into reliable workflows and simple internal apps. It is a fantastic tool for a technical team, but if your goal is to empower a wider team to quickly and visually build automations that connect hundreds of different business apps, n8n is the superior choice. Its massive library of pre-built nodes and its visual-first approach make it much faster and much more accessible for day-to-day business automation. All right, that's the end of this video. I hope this helps you understand the key differences between these two amazing open source platforms. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.